Hi, my name is Goldman. I'm an attorney with Goldman and Associates. I'm the director and founder of the firm. We have a primary focus on family law issues here in Michigan. Please subscribe to our channel. Today we're going to talk about co-parenting time calendars. This is about non-married parents who decide to calendar their scheduled time with their kids. How does that work? Well, I will tell you this. Like anything else in life, this is going to boil down to the level of cooperation you could expect from the parents. This is a question of the parents putting aside their egos and their feelings and any issues they may have where they feel slighted or somehow injured by the other person, and just dealing with what's in the best interest of the child and setting up an appropriate schedule. That schedule should take into account the age of the child, the schedule of the child, if the child is in school, sporting activities, and it should also take into account the relative working schedules of the parents, which could be, in and of itself, relatively onerous, depending on whether or not you have schedules that work one with the other. If you have two people working the day shift, could become complicated, but if you have alternating shifts, it becomes easier. Will a schedule like this work? Will a co-parenting time calendar schedule actually work for the parenting time? It might, but again, what it all boils down to is what's the level of cooperation between the parties. If it's approached in a good faith manner with an appropriate effort to try and really accommodate everybody in an adult way, it'll certainly work. If it's approached with resentment, if it's not done in good faith, it will certainly not work, and then you're going to find yourself in front of a judge. My suggestion is, if you have the opportunity to work this out, it is always better to work it out, even reluctantly, than to go before some guy in a black robe and have him tell you, you shall do this and you shall do that. Clearly, the better way to go is to work it out, all keeping in mind what's in the best interest of the children. If you have any questions, reach out, and we'll be glad to help you out.